We move on to the Archbishop of New York, and to the Grand Marshal. This is Michael J. Deegan. Michael was born in the Bronx. He was born to Julian E. Newman and Thomas Deegan. He traces his roots to his grandparents, Kilkenny on his father's side and Cork and Mayo on the mother's side. He's a graduate of St. Philip Neri and Rice High School. He's also went to the College of New Rochelle, Manhattan College and Fordham University. In 2004, Edward Cardinal Deegan, Archbishop of New York, appointed Mr. Deegan Director of Inner City Schools to work with 122 elementary schools. He was appointed Superintendent of Schools in 2019, and he's also a recipient of numerous awards, including the St. Elizabeth Ann Seton Compassionate Educators Award. He's married to Angela. They have a stepdaughter, Krista, and a grandson, Anthony, and is in the parish of Holy Name of Jesus in Valhalla. Despite all the awards and the accomplishments, you love this, folks, Mr. Deegan simply refers to himself as a Catholic school teacher, which according to him is one of the most important ministries in the church. And if you can read, please thank the teacher. The Archbishop of New York State,